Here's a 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner, otherwise known as a hideaway hardtop. So this would be a convertible with a retractable roof. I would call this a running project. It does need a little TLC to get it taken to the next level. It does run. I'll fire it up here in a little while and we'll check out the engine bay and everything, so I'll show you that. And if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website and the pictures of this. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Do tend to sell quite a few of these projects, so if you're interested, definitely let us know. Get a hold of us. As you can see, the paint's a little cloudy. It does show its imperfections. It's an older paint job. Bright work though does not seem to be too bad on it. As far as the top, we have physically not had it up and down. Interior is finished off in a cloth and vinyl combination here. This door, so you can see, it's not too bad a condition yet, but it does show its age some. Now, as far as the engine in it, 332 V8, 225 horse V8 that is. Of course, this would have been a two-door full-size car from Ford back in 1959. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we'll assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. And again, I do have pictures of the underside, interior, engine bay, and all those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description is probably the easiest way to get there is click on that, and it'll take you right to our website. And again, sold as a project. It does run. What you see in the pictures in the video is what this car comes with. Let's go ahead and show the driver's side interior here. Headliner will need some TLC also. But there's, in 59, it was the least produced year of the retractable hardtops. I believe it was in the 12,000 range of these that were actually made. So pretty desirable yet, quite sought after. I tell you what, I'm going to pause this video 1 second. I want to start her up, pop the hood, get everything so you can check it out running. So hold on a second, we'll get that taken care of. All right, fired her up, popped the hood and everything, so check out this engine bay. 332 V8. 225 horse. See, nice smooth runner. Like I said, running project. Take it to the next level. TLC, just got a power plant that'll run. Good starting point. So there you go. If you're looking for a retractable hardtop, like to do a little work on them yourselves, here it is, 1959 Fairlane 500 with a hideaway hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. So give us a call or shoot us an email. Look forward to hearing from you.